Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Blue Diamond EA, an expert advisor developed by Frederick Mensah. Based on the information provided on the MQL5 Marketplace page, this EA is available for MT5, and in this review, I'll be walking through the product details, the available settings, and the historical testing information that has been shared by the developer. Now, starting here on the Marketplace page, we can see that Blue Diamond EA is currently listed as version 1.0. The rental options shown include 6 months for 520 US dollars and 1 year for 850 US dollars. And the developer provides extensive information regarding risk management, recommended settings, and historical testing performance. Now, one of the first things highlighted is that the EA is designed around GBPUSD on the H1 time frame. The developer repeatedly recommends sticking with GBPUSD on the 1-hour chart, which gives us a clear idea of the primary market and time frame used throughout the provided testing data. As I continue through the description, risk management is clearly a major focus. The developer recommends using a risk percentage of 1% or less to help maintain lower drawdown levels, and while also cautioning users not to increase the auto risk setting above 2%. The explanation emphasizes long-term account growth rather than pursuing aggressive short-term gains. The product description also states that Blue Diamond EA uses an averaging technique to help manage market exposure. In addition, take profit and stop loss levels are handled automatically by the EA and remain hidden from the chart according to the developer. Looking through the settings section, traders can choose between fixed lot sizing and percentage-based risk management. When using risk percentage settings, lot size increase automatically as account equity grows. Alternatively, users can choose fixed lot sizes and define a desired profit target based on their account size and personal risk preferences. The EA also includes trading session controls, allowing users to specify start and stop trading times. Okay, and in the example provided, trading begins at 9 o'clock and ends at 18 o'clock. The developer further notes that the EA can work with any broker, while mentioning that ECN brokers may provide better results. Preferred leverage is listed as 1:100 or higher. Now let's move over to the historical testing section. The marketplace page provides historical backtest figures for GBPUSD on the H1 time frame, covering the period from January 2018 to December 2022. All right, so according to the developer, one test started with a $1,000 balance using 1% risk and showed growth over the testing period. Another example uses 2% risk and is specifically described as a high risk configuration with the potential for significantly higher drawdown. Now, when reviewing the historical chart activity and testing results, the main observation is how strongly the overall performance appears tied to risk selection. The developer's own guidance consistently points users toward the lower risk configuration, suggesting that account preservation and drawdown control are important considerations when using the EA. So the 1% low risk from 2018 to January 2018 to December 2022 turned $1,000 to $11,000, 11,768, and then the 2% high risk turned $10,000 to almost $5 million, about $4,997,000 $1,535. Okay. Now let's just head over to our strategy tester so that we can also see how the EA performed over the period of our testing. So we tested the Blue Diamond EA on GBPUSD on the H1 time frame, and we just covered the past 5 months from the beginning of this year till date. And for the delays, we used the last ping to the server, every tick modeling, of course. Now let's just quickly look at the results. And from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was just $3.76. The total trades taken were 238, short trades were 118 with a 95.76% win rate. Long trades were 120 with a 96.67% win rate. The win rate is quite impressive. Then for the largest profit, it was just $3.3. Largest loss was $4.79. Average profit was 7 cents. Average loss was $1.31. So this tells me that the EA seems to be targeting short-term price movement, and we can confirm that on the chart. You can see open and close. The distance between the opening price and closing price are very close to each other. You can see on several occasions, on different occasions, the entry price and the closing price are very close to each other. So that is, that's a confirmation that, this EA is actually targeting short-term price movement. And well, it's not surprising that out of 238 trades, the profit was just $3.76 out of $100,000 deposit. All right. Even though that one of the things that would have also contributed to that is the risk to reward ratio, which is very poor. The average risk to reward ratio is poor because you can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss. All right. Now, I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Historical testing can actually provide useful insight, but broader testing periods and additional optimization can help paint a clearer picture of overall performance. As always, historical testing performance should not be viewed as a guarantee of future results. Outcomes can vary depending on risk settings, lot size, broker execution, quality, spread conditions, slippage, leverage, market conditions, and how the EA is optimized by the user. So overall, the Blue Diamond EA is presented as a GBPUSD H1 trading system with automated position sizing options, built-in trade management, configurable trading hours, and an averaging based approach to market exposure. Before considering live deployment, I would strongly recommend performing your own testing and optimization to determine whether its risk profile and behavior align with your trading objectives. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.